Did you know that over a third of adults in the UK have a poor or very poor credit score? And here's the kicker, this can mean higher mortgage rates, being refused credit, or even struggling to rent a home. But the good news is you can turn it round and you can do it faster than you think. Hi everyone, I'm Chris Days from Go Mortgage, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can boost your credit score quickly. Whether you're looking to buy your first home, get approved for a loan, or simply improve your credit score. These simple steps can make a huge difference to your credit score and in some cases do it fast. Now let's face it, improving your credit score can feel like climbing a mountain. People often struggle because of high levels of debt, credit cards, loans, car finance, finance agreements, you name it. Missed or late payments, life happens, but these marks stay on your credit file for 6 years. Even a lack of credit history. Believe it or not having credit is often the same as having bad credit because you've not built up your credit history. If any of these sound familiar to you, don't worry, you're not alone. The key is to tackle these issues head on, and I'm here to show you exactly how. So let's get into the steps you can take to improve your credit score fast. 1. Make payments on time. This one's huge. Even a single late payment can damage your credit score. So set up direct debits, even if it's just for the minimum amount, so that you make sure you're not missing any payments on a monthly basis. 2, pay off your debt. Aim to reduce your credit card balances, especially if you're close to your limit. Keeping your credit utilisation below, people say 30 to 50%, is a golden rule to improve your credit score. 3, check your credit report for errors. Mistakes happen more often than you think. Use a multi-agency report like Check My File, that is the company that we use, to look for incorrect missed payments, defaults, CCJs, incorrect addresses, or payments that are not right. Report an issue straight away. By amending these, that can improve your credit score. 4, build up your credit history. If you don't have much credit, consider small, manageable options like a credit builder credit card. Use it wisely and repay it in full each month. Each of these steps will make a difference, but the next tip I'm going to share is a game changer. So, if you want to see a big jump in your score, consider becoming an authorised user of somebody else's credit card. If you've got a husband, wife, partner, somebody that's got a good credit score, has a credit agreement or a credit card, become a second user of that credit card. By linking to their account and their good credit, that can affect your credit score positively. It's a simple, powerful way of starting out and to build your credit history up. So let's recap. Pay your bills on time. Reduce your credit utilisation. Download your credit report and check for any errors and fix them as quick as you can. Build up your credit history carefully, and if you can, become an authorised second user of somebody else's credit card. These steps can quickly transform your credit score and open doors to better financial opportunities. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal finance and mortgages. Have you improved your credit score recently? Drop your story and any tips in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.